Hi everyone, today I have got a Cypriot lamb Tava, which is a Cypriot lamb stew. You will need 700 grams of lean lamb. I'm using leg. You can use shoulder if you want a bit more fatty, that's your call. And cut them into thick chunks. Then I've got 4 potatoes which I've halved and quartered, 2 onions which I've quartered, 4 tomatoes which I've also quartered. Then we have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, which is a must for me, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, which is optional but not traditional, and then salt and pepper. Add that to the ingredients, then add the juice of half a lemon, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. If you are using shoulder, probably less olive oil because shoulder is fatty, so will release more. Then give that a mix with your hands. Just a quick word on the cinnamon. Some people don't add cinnamon to this, but I think it makes it, so it is your call, but I would try it with if I were you. Now, the onions and the tomatoes will cook down, so don't worry if it looks a bit overcrowded for now. Then add half a cup of water, which helps it steam in the oven. Shake the pan a little bit just so it can move around. Then cover that with foil and bake for 2 hours on 160°C fan. After the 2 hours, remove the foil and take a knife and check that the lamb is tender and the potatoes are cooked through. They should be. And then return to the oven uncovered, 45 minutes at 170°C. And this is the final result. The lamb is so tender, the potatoes are so good, but before you can tuck into it, you need to cover it loosely for 10 minutes to let it sit. Then you can serve. It looks a bit of a mess, but the best dishes always look a mess. I hope you enjoy this and I'll see you next time.